Feeling that winter chill? Let's fight back with flavor. Today we are making the ultimate Immunity Bomb Smoothie. It is your delicious shield for the cold season. First, the power players, vibrant orange, packed with vitamin C. A knob of ginger for its anti-inflammatory magic. A pinch of golden turmeric, and a handful of spinach. Let us get blending. Add 1 peeled orange to your blender. Throw in about 1 inch of fresh peeled ginger. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a big handful of fresh spinach. Next, for creaminess and extra power, add half a cup of Greek yogurt for protein and probiotics, and a tablespoon of chia seeds for omega-3 and fiber. Now add about 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. You can add more or less for your preferred thickness. Time for the magic. Blend on high until it is perfectly smooth. Look at that incredible color. This is pure liquid wellness. Pour it into your favorite glass and get ready to feel amazing. This is more than just a smoothie. It is a daily ritual for a stronger you. Want to track the nutrients in this recipe or create your own? With AusPulse, you can easily log your custom meals, see their nutritional value, and ensure you are getting everything your body needs. Will you try this winter shield? What are your favorite immunity-boosting ingredients? Let us know. Get ready to manage your recipes with AusPulse soon.